All right, thank you, John. You know, everybody is looking for a good meatball dish, I think, and we have one here today. This is your husband's favorite, right?
Oh yes, he requests them quite frequently, and we call them mother-in-law's meatballs because my mom kind of got this recipe, and we make it in 30-pound increments, so you know it lasts a long time.
So you can freeze it.
Yes.
Make these and then freeze them.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, so we're taking a look at the recipe here, which is also on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page right now if people want to go there and get it.
Yes.
So you start, of course, with your beef.
Right. This calls for a pound of hamburger, and then you know if you want to make the recipe bigger, then you can just
double it or triple it or
exactly.
Whatever. Okay.
Yep. And then you put a cup of Rice Krispie cereal in there.
And see, that I think is what's unique.
Yeah.
I've heard of oatmeal maybe in there, but Rice Krispies is new to me.
Yep. And then an egg, some onion flakes, your salt and pepper, just for taste. You could put a little bit of sugar in there as well. You can really make this kind of your own. And then
mix it all together.
Yep. But then the sugar and the dry mustard and ketchup and vinegar, they all go into the barbecue sauce.
The sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So really all that's in the meatball part is the hamburger, egg, Rice Krispies, and onion flakes.
So once you have that all mixed up together, then you would form your balls.
Yep. Then you just, we like to take an ice cream scoop. It helps make the size consistent and all that. And then,
those are nice sized meatballs right there.
Yeah.
Okay, and so then how long do you bake them for?
You can bake them for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
And then freeze them, or you could go ahead and cook them for up to an hour in the oven. And yeah.
And then you make your sauce.
Then you make your sauce and put that on for the last 15 minutes.
Ooh, and here they are right here. Here's the finished example here of the meatballs. They look so good.
Oh my goodness, yes.
And you're excited. You're just looking at them right here. Is this something that your son likes? Is this something good for families?
Yes, the kids all love it. It's a good meal for everybody.
It is very good. And the Rice Krispies just kind of form into it.
Yep, make a little filler out of it. And it's good stuff.
Tastes very, very good. Like I said, we have this on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Back to you, John.
All right.